Here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Good morning. Time now is 8:46. We have a pretty quiet start to our day. A little bit cooler out there. Some clouds, some breaks of sunshine as well. No wet weather though this morning. It's a little bit cooler out there, like I said, with the lower humidity. This is the capital city. Some clouds around again. It's a dry day, at least for the most part right now, but we are looking at the chance of a couple pop-up showers and maybe even a downpour later on for the afternoon and evening hours. Not really going to be a big deal, but certainly could see some raindrops falling later on. One more check outside, East Greenwich. Again, the clouds moving through. I do expect us to see brighter skies, though, as we go through the rest of our day. Radar, things are quiet now. We'll see some activity pop up later on this afternoon. Temperatures near 70 degrees right now, and we're only going to go up a little bit more than that, only into the mid-70s for this afternoon. It'll be a cooler day, a little bit breezy out there as well. And the threat tracker, we'll keep it in the low category all the way through Tuesday, and really no major storm systems on the way. Just a couple shower chances, one being this afternoon, then again later on for the upcoming work week. Satellite and radar, wide view shows again a low pressure offshore, some fronts with that moved through yesterday. So behind it, high pressure across the Great Lakes, but we have enough instability in the atmosphere locally that I do expect us to see some pop-up showers and again a downpour later on today, timing up with the daytime heating hours. So early afternoon to the middle afternoon hours, even into the evening hours tonight. Not everyone's going to see them, but that chance is certainly there for the afternoon and evening. Let's time things out for the rest of today. Again, clouds, maybe some breaks of sunshine through the daytime hours. We'll call it partly sunny because I do expect us to see some more sunshine later on this morning into the afternoon, at least in some spots. Shower chance, I'm thinking after 12 or 1 o'clock. Notice those few green blobs on the screen here behind me, but as we go into about 3, 4 o'clock, we'll see them make themselves known a little bit more so. And look at these, a little heavier downpours from time to time. I wouldn't pay too much attention to the exact location and the timing of them, but just the fact that they're fairly isolated and not going to be a widespread deal for this afternoon and evening. Would not cancel any plans. This is 5 o'clock again. Notice there's some oranges and some yellows on there as well. That indicates maybe a heavier burst of some rain making its way through. Again, very hit or miss, very brief as they move on through. Clouds went out for tonight though. Our temperatures will fall to around 60 degrees. And then for tomorrow, looking at a blend of sun and clouds, but I think more clouds than sunshine will be a good bet for our Monday. But not too bad of a day. No rainfall expected all the way through tomorrow evening. This is now 7 o'clock. Notice the gray really didn't move a whole lot through the entire day and into the nighttime hours for our Monday. Let's switch gears here and go to the tropics. We are tracking Tropical Depression 10, which you can see here on the screen. This is expected to become a Category 1 hurricane as it makes its way from the Caribbean into the Gulf. That would be Idalia. It's the next name on the list for a named storm. And this is actually threatening parts of the U.S., at least down towards Florida and the southeastern Gulf Coast states. The track takes it eventually inland across Georgia into the Carolinas, and it weakens it to a tropical storm as it then curves back out to sea. So that's one storm we're watching. We're also watching Hurricane Franklin, which is now a Category 1 storm. It's expected to intensify to a Category 3 to even a Category 4 storm with winds of 130 miles per hour Monday afternoon, just west of Bermuda, but east of the East Coast. So it's going to be kind of in between land there, and you can see it moves back out to sea. The only impacts we should see from this storm across our area locally is going to be rough surf for Tuesday into Wednesday. So you can actually see, I'll step out of the way. Here's Providence, here's southern New England. Look how far away this storm will be, but it still will churn up the water quite a bit for us for the upcoming work week, and it should rise those rip current risks as well. 7-day forecast, here you go. You can see again, really no major weather concerns next several days. Temperatures in the 70s. Next shower chance this afternoon, again, Tuesday into Wednesday. And perhaps we warm things up a little bit more as we go into next weekend with temperatures approaching 80 degrees. Of course, get the full updated 7-day forecast anytime on our website at WPRI.com. Joe, back to you.